Farm animals. So children, today we are going to learn about the farm animals. Farm animals are those animals who lives in the farm and help us. So let's go to the Robert's farm and learn about the different farm animals and how they help us. It is a cow, and cow give us milk. It is a sheep, and sheep give us wool. It is a hen, and hen give us eggs. It is a goat, and goat give us milk and meat. It is a horse, and horse help us by carrying our loads from one place to another. It is a pig, and pig help us by cleaning the farm. So children, these are the farm animals and this is how they help us. Thank you.